Hello aspirants, welcome to Current Affairs batch for UPSC Prelims 2021. In today's session, we are going to cover an important international grouping in news for Prelims 2021 exam. So the first is non-aligned movement, that is NAM. Non-aligned movement was formed during the Cold War as an organization of states that did not formally align themselves with either the United States or the Soviet Union but sought to remain independent or neutral. It originated at Asia-Africa Conference held in Bandung, Indonesia in 1955. NAM's first conference was organized at the Belgrade Conference held in 1961 under the leadership of India, Yugoslavia, Egypt, Ghana and Indonesia. The policy of NAM was based on the 5 principles of Panchsheel. These principles are: number 1, mutual respect for each other's territorial integrity and sovereignty. Number 2, mutual non-aggression. Number 3, mutual non-interference in each other's internal affairs. Number 4, equality and mutual benefit. Number 5, peaceful coexistence. So please remember these 5 principles because NAM has been in news from last so many years also. Next, it has 120 members comprising 53 countries from Africa, 39 from Asia, 26 from Latin America and Caribbean and 2 from Europe, that is Belarus and Azerbaijan. There are 17 countries and 10 international organizations that are observer at NAM. Recently, Indian Prime Minister participated in online summit of non-aligned movement contact group 2020 to declare solidarity during COVID-19 pandemic. This year its theme was United Against COVID-19, the summit, which aimed to promote the international solidarity in the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. It is hosted by the President of the Republic of Azerbaijan. He is also the current chairman of NAM grouping also. NAM leaders announced creation of a task force to identify requirements of a member countries through a common database reflecting their basic medical, social and humanitarian needs in the fight against COVID-19. Next important grouping is BIMSTEC, that is Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation. BIMSTEC was first established in 1997, that is in the year 97, as BISTEC with 4 countries, that is Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka and Thailand. It was named BIMSTEC in 2004 after Myanmar, Nepal and Bhutan joined it. First summit meeting was held in Bangkok in 2004. Secretariat of BIMSTEC is located in Dhaka, that is in Bangladesh. BIMSTEC region is home to around 1.5 billion people, which makes up for around 22% of world population. That is why BIMSTEC is important. The region has a combined GDP of $2.8 trillion. Its founding principles are: cooperation with BIMSTEC will be based on respect for the principle of sovereign equality, territorial integrity, political independence, non-interference in internal affairs, peaceful coexistence and mutual benefit. For areas of cooperation, BIMSTEC has identified 14 priority areas where a member country takes a lead. India is a lead country for transport and communication, tourism, environment and disaster management, and counter-terrorism and transnational crime. Recently, BIMSTEC Secretariat has finalized BIMSTEC Charter after 23 years of its inception. Now, this charter is due to be signed in 5th summit scheduled for January next year at Sri Lanka. Charter is expected to define a long-term vision and priorities for cooperation, as well as clearly delineating roles and responsibilities of different layers of institutional structures, and also define decision-making process. In the absence of dedicated charter, BIMSTEC is running with the spirit of Bangkok Declaration of 1997, which is not comprehensive in nature, as well as does not account for the changed geopolitical scenario as it was signed way back in 97. So for more international grouping, join to current affair batch for prelims 2021, and for more information you can contact at the number available in the description box. Thank you.